Where have I been? What have I been doing with all my free time since I haven't been motovlogging?
Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. I'm rocking my pants, putting suckers in fear, making the tears rain down like a monsoon. Listen to the bass go boom, explosive, overpowering over the competition. I'm towering, wrecking shop. When I drop these lyrics that'll make you call the cops. Don't you dare stare. You better move. Don't ever compare me to the rest that'll all get sliced and diced.
Good talk, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing, coming to you from a little road in the Texas Hill Country. Today is Memorial Day. I'm heading over to meet up with the Dig Life and one of our other buds to do a little Memorial Day ride. Kind of a nice little 2-hour course above Canyon Lake, which is just north of San Antonio. So today is supposed to be partly sunny. It's a little cloudy right now, but I'll take it. It's not supposed to rain, so that's always a plus. I like this road. It's like a roller coaster. Woohoo! So anyways, I just want to take this time to talk about a question that might be on some of your mind. And that is, where have I been? What have I been doing with all my free time since I haven't been motovlogging? Well, a few months ago, I had the need to build myself a new PC. So in true Bly fashion, I went and started researching the hell out of everything that I needed to buy, which was probably, I don't know, a good 10 separate components that would take me days each to figure out which one's the best, why, what's best for gaming or my application that I want to use, etc., etc. So, literally, the preparation for getting that PC built, just in research alone, was probably 2 to 3 weeks of a lot of focused attention just on that. So, got the components, got the machine put together. It's pretty sweet. I'll probably add a picture to it somewhere here. But yeah, so put it together. It's pretty sweet, smoking fast, you know, all SSD. The whole architecture of the thing is just incredibly quick. So once I did that, now I don't know if you guys all know, because I probably never said it, but I'm a huge gamer. But I've kind of gotten out of gaming. Now when I say gamer, mostly PC games, because call me old school, but I just haven't really been super proficient at the controllers.
Ha ha, you're old.
But on the PlayStations and the Xbox, I don't know. I could just do a PC and mouse, and I'm far more accurate and more proficient with those than I am with the controllers. So I just stick with PC games. So anyways, you know, for the last few years, I haven't been doing any really much PC games because my PC, since it was so old, couldn't handle a lot of the, you know, the new games that were out. So I kind of missed out on like things like Overwatch, Fortnite, etc. So once I got this new PC built, it came with my video card, which was a high-end video card, came with 3 new titles. One was Anthem, which is a pretty fun game, but it doesn't have a huge like community to it, so I haven't really done it that much. Battlefield 1, which, you know, I've always played a lot of the Battlefields throughout time. Call of Duty is probably my favorite, and some other weird like zombie game, which not even worth mentioning. So I started playing those and definitely was like, oh, this is pretty fun. You know, maybe I want to start getting back into gaming. And, you know, anybody that plays video games knows that you can get super addicted to them. And it takes up a lot of your time, to where if you're away from the computer, the only thing you can sometimes think about is getting back to finish playing a level, or to, you know, level up a character, or whatever the case may be. So another game that I got that was free was Apex Legends, and that's the one I've really been kind of focusing on over the last few months. And that game's a blast, even though frustrating as hell, because it's just hit and miss. I mean, it's a battle royale game, you know, and it's, unless you have a squad, because it's a 3-man squad that you spawn in with, and unless you have 2 other people that you're constantly practicing with and developing and getting better at, you're going to get random just people, right? And they're either going to be stupid, or, you know, occasionally you might get a couple good team members and you guys will end up winning the game. But half the time you die within the first like 30-60 seconds, then you got to spawn back into a new game. And I don't know, it's just, it's a love-hate relationship with that game. Sometimes I love it, but most of the times it's frustrating as hell and I hate it. So anyways, so yeah, so that's kind of what I've been doing. I mean, besides all that, I just, like I said, my head really wasn't in a good spot to do, you know, continue motovlogging. I was just going through a lot of weird emotions and feelings about stuff that wasn't really well founded, and I shouldn't have been thinking like that, and just very petty, really. I mean, so. And then the other day, it just like snapped, boop. And then I was like, hey, you know, I had some free time. How about I make a video? Go through some of my old video that I haven't posted. And that's, like I said, that's one, in my last video I mentioned I made that montage in my intros, which I just, it was just kind of a fun F around kind of video. And I had fun. I had fun making it. It made me laugh, which is what your videos should do. I mean, whether or not anybody else finds it entertaining, that's, you know, that's just a bonus, but it should be just fun for you to make. And so I had a blast, and then it just kind of reinvigorated me. And now here I am, making more, gonna make some more videos. So of course, since I've been gone for so long, I got lots of new ideas. I just gotta make those ideas into reality. So, woo, look at that, old iron. Man, I love riding motorcycles. Nothing better. Like I said, I don't gotta think when I ride this bike. Very little, which is good because, you know, we all know that I ain't got much brain left. But it's all muscle memory. It's like your body just knows what to do. It's a fluid connection of your inner soul. Let's see how deep we can get on this.
That's what she said.
Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. This is Bly with IronCross Racing. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And be sure to hit that bell notification, as I'm going to be releasing a video as many times as I can a month. Not going to promise once a week, but I'll do my best. So again, thank you guys, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.